What if humanity's next home is not on Earth? Right now, Elon Musk is building rockets powerful enough to take millions of people to Mars. But here's the shocking part. This isn't just exploration. It's a plan to build an entire city on another planet. Imagine standing under a pink sky. The ground beneath you is red. There are no oceans, no trees, no cities, just silence. And yet, in the distance, you see something impossible. A human city on Mars. This is not science fiction. This is the vision Elon Musk is trying to turn into reality. Introduction. For decades, Mars has been a symbol of the future. A distant world. Cold, dry, and lifeless. But today, that is changing. Countries like the United States, China, and members of Europe are investing heavily in space exploration. Organizations like NASA, United States, and private companies like SpaceX, United States, are leading the mission. And at the center of it all is one ambitious goal: to make humans a multi-planetary species. What is Elon Musk's Mars plan? Elon Musk's goal is simple but incredibly ambitious. He wants to build a self-sustaining city on Mars. Not just a research station, not just a small base, a real city with homes, jobs, infrastructure, and eventually, millions of people. The idea is to ensure the survival of humanity, because if something happens to Earth, Mars could be our backup. How will humans reach Mars? The key technology behind this plan is the Starship rocket, developed by SpaceX in the United States. How it works? Simple explanation. Starship is a fully reusable rocket system. It works in two parts. Super Heavy booster lifts the rocket off Earth. Starship spacecraft carries humans and cargo to space. After launch, the booster returns to Earth. The spacecraft continues to orbit. It refuels in space using tanker ships, then travels to Mars. This is critical, because reaching Mars requires enormous fuel. Real-world example. SpaceX has already tested Starship multiple times in the United States. NASA is working with SpaceX to use Starship for lunar missions. This shows that the technology is not theoretical. It is already being built and tested. The journey to Mars. Traveling to Mars takes about 6 to 9 months. Astronauts will face radiation exposure, microgravity effects, isolation. NASA and research teams in the United States, Germany, and Japan are studying these challenges. Building a city on Mars. Getting to Mars is only the first step. Building a city is much harder. Key technologies needed. Habitats. Pressurized domes or underground bases to protect humans. Energy systems. Solar power and possibly nuclear energy. Water extraction. Mars has ice beneath the surface. Food production. Hydroponic farming inside controlled environments. Who is working on this? SpaceX, USA, rockets and transportation. NASA, USA, space research and missions. ESA, Europe, Mars exploration programs. China's CNSA Mars missions and research. JAXA, Japan, space technology. Technology companies also play a role. NVIDIA, USA, AI simulations. Microsoft, USA, cloud computing for space data. Google DeepMind, UK AI systems. OpenAI, USA, future AI decision systems. How AI will help Mars cities. AI will be essential for survival on Mars. Why? Because humans cannot manage everything alone. AI can monitor life support systems, control energy usage, predict system failures, assist astronaut. Real-world example. AI systems today, developed by OpenAI, USA, and Google DeepMind UK, already process complex data. In Germany and across Europe, AI is used in industrial automation. These systems could evolve into autonomous management systems for Mars cities. Robotics on Mars. Humans will not build Mars alone. Robots will do most of the work first. Companies like Boston Dynamics, USA, are developing advanced robots. NASA already uses robots like Perseverance rover on Mars. Future role of robots: build infrastructure, transport materials, assist humans. Japan is also leading robotics innovation. Germany uses robotics in engineering. Recent breakthroughs: SpaceX successfully testing Starship, NASA planning Artemis missions. China successfully landed rovers on Mars. AI systems becoming more advanced. These are early steps toward a much bigger future. Future predictions: by 2030, first humans may reach Mars. Temporary bases established. By 2040, permanent settlements begin. Robots build infrastructure. By 2050, small Mars cities exist. Hundreds or thousands of people. Extreme future scenario. Now imagine this. It's the year 2080. You wake up inside a Mars habitat. Outside, robots are expanding the city. Children are growing up on another planet. Space travel is normal. Earth is no longer humanity's only home. Mars is alive. Risks and challenges? This vision is powerful, but extremely difficult. Major risks: radiation exposure, lack of oxygen, extreme temperatures, psychological effects, ethical questions. Who gets to go to Mars? Will it be for everyone, or only the wealthy? Impact on humanity. If successful, Mars colonization could, may ensure human survival, expand civilization beyond Earth, create new industries. But it could also change human identity forever. Final cinematic ending. For thousands of years, humans looked at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Now, we are asking a different question. Can we live there? Elon Musk's plan to build cities on Mars may sound impossible, but so did flying. So did the internet. So did landing on the moon. The future is not just coming, it is being built. And the next chapter of humanity may begin on Mars.